Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can fix custom binary block by FRP. You can see this is our mobile Galaxy J7 Pro and it's asking for custom binary blocked, that red line, and it's not going to start. So first of all we need to put it in download mode. For that press volume down, home and power key together, then press volume up to continue. So I just press volume up and it will go to the download mode. Click here, its button is damaged. So now you can see here is the information. We need to check its binary. Our phone have binary 4. It's not looking in the camera clearly, so I just show you a picture here, B1, and our phone have B4, so we need to download the firmware according to B4, means we need to download U4 firmware. So I will tell you how you can download U4 binary firmware from SAM firmware. So just search SAM firmware from Google and go to the first link. So here we need to download firmware according to our binary, so it's very important, so keep watching carefully. So here we need to search our model. I just type my phone model number here, J730F, and hit enter. You can see here it's saying Galaxy J7 J730. Click on it and it will show all firmwares about your phone. So just scroll down now. You can see our phone model is Galaxy J7, and just scroll down, and here you select your region. You can select Pakistan, either KSA, Saudi Arabia. I just select Saudi Arabia. You can select according to your country, no problem at all. I just select Saudi Arabia and then scroll down again. Here you can see we get all the firmware here. Here is binary 8, binary 7 and binary 4. So our phone is binary 4, so we need U4 firmware. So here you can see it's showing binary 4 and U4, so we need to download it. You just need to download according to your phone which binary you have, so just download according to that, otherwise your mobile may be brick. So you can see here clearly U4 and there are 9 and binary version is 4. I already told you how to find your binary, so just click on download direct and it will automatically download your firmware. It will take a little bit time, depends on your internet speed, how much you have internet speed, so it will take a time. So I already downloaded it. Just we need to extract it with the WinRAR. So just it's a zip file, so we need to extract it first. So I just extract it and make it fast forward so we can finish it fast. Whenever you need to do software, first of all you need to check its binary version, means which U number you have. So it's just extracted now, and here is one more trick. You just rename the AP file. You can see AP and just rename it and delete this extension MD That's it. Now you need to open Odin. Click on it, and you can also download it from description. So open Odin, and here you can see our phone is connected already and it's showing here. Now we select our files. Click on the bootloader BL and go to the location where our file is located. So click here and select BL from here. You can see BL file. After that, AP file, click on AP file. CP file, click on CP. And CS file, click on CS and select CS file. So that's the way. Just select it all and click on start button. So our phone is being flashed now. You can see its lining is running. I just make it fast forward so we can finish it fast. You can see our flash phone is completed and it will restart automatically, and you can see there is no a custom binary blocked by FRP. So phone is going to start. It will take a little bit time. You can see our phone is started up successfully and there is no issue at all, and phone will work properly. So hopefully you understand the process. And if it asks for FRP lock, so you can bypass it very easily. You can see my other videos on how to bypass FRP lock. So you can also bypass FRP, but in this method there is no FRP lock, so we just set up it. Just click by next and phone will start. And if you are new at my channel, please subscribe, like and share. You can use this method on all Samsung mobiles. So first of all, we need to know its binary number, and then according to that we need to download the firmware and it will work fine. So if your mobile stuck on logo or custom binary blocked by FRP, you can use this method. Now you can see our mobile is started up successfully and there is no issue at all. And you can see, go to settings and check about, and you can check its software information, and here you can see Android 9 and its baseband is U4, that means binary 4. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.